Well, evening. This is Williams, Philippines. It's about 10:40 in the p.m. and it's been a very long day. Yeah, got to uh, go see a place where some people were doing some construction. That was fun. I love building things. I miss it. Uh, got to talk with and help a few friends. Hey, and saw a whole bunch of rice. Rice is life here. Anyway, but I'm tired. Got a chicken cooking. Well, two leg quarters cooking in the air fryer. So, yay. By the time I'm done, it's going to be midnight. A very long day. Yeah. The good thing is, I'm quite happy to be here. I'm just dead tired right now. So, this probably ain't going to be a real long one today at all. And, yeah. So, Amazon shipped me something. They said it would be here, supposed to have been here yesterday or today. Uh, Somewhere or another it got rerouted and it'll be here next Friday. I don't know. Amazon delivers some things to the Philippines, delivers some things with extra charges. It is what it is. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a blessed day. Yeah. And for the Kuyas out there, hey. And for everybody else, hey. Still alive, still kicking. It's just this last week has been very busy. The last 3 weeks have been pretty busy. Just trying to get things done. Yeah. Uh, I don't know about y'all, but I enjoy the blessings that I get. And on occasion, I get to be a blessing. And that's a good thing. I'm tired, y'all. This day started at 5 a.m. and by 7, I had already been up and down 10 flights, 11 flights of stairs. Ah, something's dinging at me. Air fryer. Woohoo, food. Guess what? This is going to be a short one. Food's calling, and I'm hungry. That's a good thing. I'm going to get this flipped over and a little more seasoning on it, and then it's going back in there for about 5 more minutes or 10 at the most. And while that's happening, I'm going to put in the fixings for a soup and get me some chicken soup for tomorrow and Sunday. I bought a chicken today. Uh, yeah, and yeah, that was not a real big one, but 1.15 kilos. So 1 and 10th kilos, so quarter pounds, something like that. Or yeah, 2.25 pounds. Small bird, but I'm gonna get 3 meals out of it, easy. Maybe four because it's soup. Depends on how many veggies I throw in there. Because hey, food and more food. Uh, all I know is I am tired. I've yeah, I've been having very long days for the last solid week, and intermittent long days for like 2 weeks before that, 3 weeks before that. Anyway, I hope y'all have a blessed day. I'm William, Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. Do you? You know you, do you? Don't worry about other folks. You're enough of a problem for you to deal with. I'm way more of the problem than I want to deal with. But I work on me because, well, that's where I'm supposed to work. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and oh yeah, more food. I got chicken calling y'all. This is Fish. Fish is out. Later, listens. Bye bye.